Dear tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, your go-to destination for all things tech. And today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to connect AirPods to an Android device. AirPods are not only popular among Apple users, but also beloved by those who prefer Android devices. So, if you're an Android user eager to experience the magic of AirPods, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Activate Bluetooth. The first thing you'll need to do is activate Bluetooth on your Android device. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the Quick Settings menu and tap on the Bluetooth icon. Step 2. Open AirPods case. Now, take your AirPods out of their case. This action will initiate the pairing process. Step 3. Locate AirPods on Android. On your Android device, navigate to the Bluetooth settings where you will see a list of available devices. Your AirPods should appear on this list. Tap on them to start the pairing process. Step 4. Complete pairing. Once you tap on your AirPods, your Android device will connect to them. You might see a confirmation message indicating the pairing is successful. Step 5. Enjoy your AirPods. Congratulations! Your AirPods are now connected to your Android device. You can enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, and more with the superb audio quality AirPods offer. There you have it, a seamless way to connect AirPods to your Android device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Stay tuned to Skill Ful Solutions for more exciting tech solutions and tutorials. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology with confidence.